many in a given market? How many agents do you like to have in your pocket working with you?
I have one agent in each market that we work in that I really trust. I'll have a second one to kind of bounce things off if I need, but typically right now we have one solid agent in each market, and you only need 3 markets, in my opinion.
What is your methodology for vetting agents in the new market?
See who swims, see who sinks. If they're not calling you, asking you for work, then you're probably working with wrong person.
But you got to kiss a couple frogs.
The only deal we lost money on, which was like $217 lunch, was based on an agent that we just hadn't worked with for a while. And then we ended up landing on another guy. He just ghosted me, and then we found this agent. And then what I did from there is I used our good agent to go recruit the other agents for me.
This is a really good lesson in not caring. I think that smart people in general, everybody on this call is, we tend to overanalyze things and look at it too much and turn the apple 6 different ways to find the best first bite. And congratulations, Daniel, because I don't think you care that much. And I think it's working out for you great.
I mean, people say lazy, I say efficient.
I agree.
Yeah.